Hey guys, what's up? This is going to be my video on the top 10 best Winterboard themes for the iPhone 4 and iPod Touch 4G. Now, all of these themes that I list in this video will be Retina display compatible with the iPhone 4 and the iPod Touch 4G. Now, in the description, I will list all of the themes that I list in this video. And all of these themes that I list in this video are all compatible with iOS 4 and above on the iPhone 4 and iPod Touch 4G. Number 10 will be uh, a theme that is a great theme, but it isn't complete. And number 1 will be the best theme. Now, all these themes are paid themes available in Cydia. Now, at number 10 is a theme called Glass Clark HD. Now, this is one of the best themes that you can possibly have on your device. Now, as you can see, the icons are very nice, and it is very Apple-like. And as you can see, the icons are see-through, and you still can see through the icons since they are transparent. Now, the icons are a very light silver-like color, and most of the icons are customized, as you can see right there, but 3 of the main icons aren't customized that should be, including the photos, camera, and the maps icon. Now, also, some aren't customized, but for the most part, most of the standard icons that you get on your iPhone 4 or iPod Touch 4G are customized. And now that is the Glass Clark HD themes at number 10. Now the next theme in this video at number 9 is the opaque theme. Now this theme is very nice. It includes an animated home screen with bubbles floating around it, and when you scroll to a page that doesn't have very many icons on it, you can see the full effect of the background. Now this theme works a lot better when you have grid lock enabled, so it does fit with the widgets that this theme includes. Now when you look at the actual icons, you can see that the icons are translucent. You can see through some parts of the icon, but you can't fully see through the icon, which adds a very nice effect to the icons, and it makes the theme look a lot cleaner and very simplistic and yet elegant at the same time. Now at number 7 is the theme called Elite Pro HD. Now this is another must-have theme and is a best theme for the Retina display. So when you go to the lock screen, you can customize it to whatever home screen wallpaper that you would like, and also at the top you can see the status bar is also themed along with the carrier. Is themed as well. Now at the bottom you do get a very nice custom slider, and at the status bar the battery is also themed as well. So then when you slide to unlock, you do get custom unlock and lock sounds. So when you lock your device, you also do get custom sounds. So when you go into the theme, you can see that all of the icons are themed, and this theme looks very nice. Now the icons have a little bit of a gloss to them, which makes the icons look even better, and they are more squared off than the rounded design, which makes the icons look more professional than the standard OS installed. Now at the bottom, you can see the dock is reflective, and it adds a very nice look to it than the normal look. Now when you go to the spotlight search, you can see the spotlight is also squared off, and you do get custom loading screens. So when you now, for some of the apps that you do open, you do get custom loading screens, which is another feature that this theme includes. Now, overall, this theme is very nice. You can also add a home screen wallpaper, which is very nice. So this theme doesn't come installed with a home screen wallpaper, so you can change it to whichever one you want. Now all these icons are themed in HD, which adds a very nice effect to them. The camera icon, for example, the weather. Now all of the icons are corresponding to the word of the icon, so that looks very nice. Now if you download App Store applications, they are themed. Now all your standard layout for all your standard icons are themed, which is also very nice. And if you download apps from the App Store, they will also be themed, so it blends in with the theme even more. So that is Elite Pro at number 7. Now, at number 6 is a theme called XHD. Now, this theme is definitely one of the most complete themes that you can have on your device. As you can see, most of the icons are themed. Now, some of the icons that aren't themed are the Game Center icon, the Photos icon, the Camera icon, the Contacts icon, and well, now the main ones are themed, which is also very nice. And at the bottom, you can see for the phone app, it shows the iPhone 4. The mail app, it shows a mail icon. So all of the icons that are shown are corresponding, which makes the theme go along well with your device. You can also change the home screen wallpaper to whatever you like, and it doesn't come standard with a home screen wallpaper. And at the bottom of the dock, you can see that the dock is red. A red and a blue combination, which adds a different effect to the theme. And you do get custom lock and unlock sounds, so when you lock your device and when you unlock your device, you can hear a custom sound. Now, when you go to the lock screen of the theme, you can see that you can change uh, the lock screen wallpaper to whatever you would like, and also the slider is themed to a different slider, and the slider bar is also themed as well. Now, this theme also does include custom loading screens. For example, if you open up the Stocks application, you will see a very nice loading screen that has an X and it says XHD at the bottom, which is the name of the theme. Now, when you go to the multitasking controls, and then you slide to the left, the music player icons in the multitasking bar aren't themed, but to the right of it, you can see that there is a custom iPod icon for a speaker. So that is the XHD theme. Now, the next theme in this video is Obsidian HD. Now, this theme is also made by the creator of Refined HD and of the theme Imagine. Now, as you can see at the lock screen, you do get a custom picture. Now, this is the standard picture that comes with the actual theme, and you do get the date at the bottom of the picture that says the current date. And at the top, you do get a custom time with the main text in white and the other text for the PM in red. And you do get a weather widget in the top right, which says the city and the temperature. Overall, the lock screen is well themed, and also there's a custom slider with the slider bar. Now, when you go into this theme, you can see that most of the icons are themed, including the standard icons. Even the App Store icons are themed as well. So you can see that the App Store icons are themed to match the actual theme. So, for example, Fruit Ninja is themed so that it can match with the theme. And now the background of the theme is a black background, so it blends in with the theme. And overall, this is a dark theme, but while this theme is very nice, it is a very complete theme, and I do highly recommend getting this theme. And that is Obsidian HD. Now, the next theme in this video is Imagine. Now, Imagine is a theme that basically themes most of your device and is one of the most complete themes that you can have on your device. Now, at the lock screen, you can see that there's a main picture, and then there's a picture behind the main picture, which pans and zooms and does different animations, and that is why it's one of the best lock screens to have, with a nice textured gradient background in the back, and you do get the current date as well. So now at the bottom you get a custom slider with a lock on it, and when you slide to unlock the device, there are custom lock and unlock sounds that you can have on your device. So as you can see right there, all of the icons are mostly themed, including the App Store icons are themed to match this theme. Now the folders, when you look at the folders on the outside, you can see they're themed as well to match this theme. And at the bottom, you do have a custom weather widget that is animating, and it is showing the current weather. Now at the bottom, you do get a custom dock that is reflective, as well as all of the standard icons are themed and the App Store icons are themed. Now this is one of the most complete themes. So then when you go into the SMS messages, you can see that the incoming and outgoing messages are also themed. So this themes most of your device. And the status bar is also themed with the carrier at the top and the Wi-Fi bars at the bottom right there. Now you also do get a custom battery in the status bar, which is very fitting for this theme. Overall, this theme themes most of the device and is one of the best themes to have. And that is Imagine. Next theme in this video is iNitsua Z Neo Style. Now this theme is one of the best themes that you can have on your device. Now when you first go to the lock screen, you can see that the clock is in a custom background, which is a very light blue and turquoise-like color. Now when you go to the bottom, you do get a custom slider. And now usually the lock screen would actually be animated where it shows pictures and everything for at least 60 seconds. So I do recommend getting lock screen dim delay so that you can delay the time when your lock screen locks. So you can see the full animation of this theme. So now the slider is also customized with the slider bar customized as well. And the slider also has custom text within the slider. So now you'll just simply slide to unlock. And now you see the iNitsua Z Neo Styles theme. Now, as you can see, the speaker is also customized when you toggle the volume on and off. You can see that there's an X over it once you toggle the volume rocker off, but you can easily turn it on and off. Now at the top, you can see the status bar is themed. Now it has a very nice gradient gray-like color, and the reception bars are themed as well as the Wi-Fi logo, and the battery is also themed with a very turquoise-like color. Now in the middle, you can see the background is it goes from a very dark blue to a light blue all the way up to a turquoise color, which adds a different dimension to your device. And you can see that all the icons are themed, which makes the theme look even better. And if you look very closely at the icons, you can see that they aren't rounded like they usually are, and they also do have a thin teal border around it, so then it looks really nice. And it also does theme basically every icon, even the App Store icons. It themes some of the notable ones like iFile for Cydia apps, all the standard ones, and it even themes maps, which some themes don't theme. And when you go to the next page, you can see most of the icons are themed. Even the App Store icons are themed, like Fruit Ninja. The iBlacklist application is not. And at the bottom, you can see that the dock is themed as well with a very light color that is very reflective and makes the phone makes the theme that you're running on your device look even nicer. And at the bottom, it says iNitsua Z Neo Style right there, and it animates to the time as well, if you can see it right there. And you do get custom page dots, and when it does indicate the page that you are on, it actually does change to a turquoise-like color. Now, overall, this theme is very nice. It is definitely in the top 5 of themes, and I highly recommend that. So that is the iNitsua Z Neo Style theme for the iPhone 4 and iPod Touch 4G. Now, the next theme in this video at number 3 is a theme called Unique HD. Now, you do get a custom background, which most of the background is red, but with a dark black color on the sides, and you do get a custom background that goes around the actual time. and you do get a custom slider at the bottom, and then in the middle would be where a picture would be, and it does say Unique HD on the bottom left corner. Now when you slide to unlock, you do get custom sounds with this theme, and when you first look at this theme, you still do get the same background from the lock screen, but it just has some custom numbers in it, and you do get most of your icons themed, and as you can see, all the icons, including the App Store icons, are themed with that custom UI skin on them, and they also do have gloss to the icons, which makes the icons even better. And you do get custom loading screens with this theme. So for example, if you open up the iTunes application, you do get a loading screen which has the same arrangement as the lock screen for the background, and it does say the theme name, and it just has the actual app that you're loading in the middle. Now this theme is a pretty complete theme to have on your device, and that is why Unique HD is at number 3 for the best themes for your iPhone 4 and iPod Touch 4G. At number 2 is a theme called Exquisite HD. This is by far one of the most complete, full-featured theme that you can have on your device. Now when you go to the lock screen, you can see that there's a custom picture for the lock screen, which says the day of the week, the date, and the month at the bottom of the picture. Also, there is a custom slider at the bottom right there, which goes back and forth, and you do get a custom background behind the clock, and you do get a custom reception bars and Wi-Fi bars, and the whole status bar is themed, including the battery, and you do get the theme name Exquisite at the side, and the main color is like a very light gradient black color, and at the side you do get a nice textured background at the side, and this lock screen is one of the most full-featured lock screens of all time. So now when you slide to unlock, you can see that most of the icons are themed, including the standard ones like camera, phone, mail, Safari, although the iPod and iFile app aren't customized, skinned with this theme, and as well as the weather icon isn't skinned as well. Now this theme looks very nice. All the icons have a border around them, and these icons are very glossy as well, and at the top you can see that there's a custom background at the very top. Now that is where the animated weather would go across. For example, if it was cloudy, the clouds would actually be going across the screen behind your icon, so it doesn't interfere with seeing your icons. Now this is a very well done theme. You do get custom page dots at the bottom, and the dock is reflective at the bottom, and most of the icons are themed, and this is the Exquisite theme at number 2. The best theme of all time for the iPhone 4 and iPod Touch 4G that is Retina display compatible is a theme called iNitsua Z Twilight HD. Now when you go to the lock screen, you can see that you get a very nice custom battery with the turquoise color at the bottom, and you do have, if your battery is low on battery, you can see that there's a red part on the side that is indicating it, and you do get the iNitsua logo that will be appearing in all logos, and at the top you do get custom reception bars and a custom Wi-Fi bar, and also the battery is also themed when you're charging your device, and the battery percentage is themed as well. Now as far as the time goes, it isn't themed, it's still in the same standard text, and when you go to the bottom you can see that the slider is themed with the same along with the theme, and as you can see the battery is reflective at the bottom, so you still can see the battery's reflection, and when you slide to unlock you will get a custom sound, and when you turn on the actual vibrate on and off switch, you do get a custom image for that. So when you slide to unlock, you do get a custom sound, and when you go to the theme, you can see it has a very nice a light gray color that is a gradient color, and all your icons are themed. Most of your icons are themed, and overall this theme looks really nice. Now at the bottom you can see the page dots are themed, so it indicates which page you are on by using a nice turquoise color. Now the standard icons that you have on your device are themed, including the YouTube, stocks, maps, and all of those icons are themed. And the camera icon isn't themed, and most of the other icons are themed. And at the bottom, right beside the page dots, you can see that the time is illuminated and it is glowing in the same turquoise-like color. And to the right side, you do get the day of the week, the month, and the date. And you can see the dock is also nicely themed at the bottom. And all the icons have the same illuminated glow. All the App Store icons are themed as well. And most of the device is themed when you use this theme, and overall it is very nice. So when you open up the phone application, you do get a custom loading screen for most of the apps, and then you go to the keypad, and the keypad sounds aren't themed, but you do get a custom call button, and the UI at the bottom is themed, and at the top where the numbers would show, the numbers aren't themed but different when you tap. The numbers aren't themed, but overall the keypad is themed and it does match with the theme. Now there are many mods that are created for this theme, including weather widgets, to make it even more of a complete theme that it already is. So thank you for watching this video on the top 10 best Winterboard themes for the iPhone 4 and iPod Touch 4G that are Retina display compatible. Please be sure to subscribe, please like this video, and thanks for watching.